achinyamata atenge mipando Ghetto King Kong kusatengaso mpando MP ndeyekuti machana afe makomondo otsekuka mbwerekete. Frido ameneyo, a good upcoming MP, support the one in position. Are you supporting or you campaigning or you are competing the current MP is bad or whatever? No, I'm not saying that. For me, the reason of this talk show is not to be on the side of a person. We just talk what is on the ground. To this YouTube channel, if you're watching me for the first time, I am Dixon. Yeah, so make sure if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, but also make sure you turn on post notification bell so that whenever I create videos, you get to receive notifications. Yeah, so just as you've seen the title, we're going to talk about Fredo Peace. I don't know how you pronounce this name. Omano, as long as I know, akumachidwa sokunazoni zoti ndi Nchana King Kong. Yes, yeah. So I think ndinapanga video ina ya Nchana pamene kunalingati ka fight ndi MP akuja kumene Nchana adaini anthawi kunavuta zinthu kuja. Yeah, so ndipanga pin isingati simunaona ndipanga pin ma comment section ikayambirira. So soon after kumaliza kuona video, please go ahead and also watch that video. I'm going to appreciate. And also guys, make sure you give it a like, this video, give it a like. If you can share also, I will say thank you for that, guys. And yeah, I just also want to say thank you for everyone who is leaving comments in the comment section, and also those who are sharing on Facebook. Yeah, I also want to say thank you so much. Yeah, so Nchana lero analemba post, I think in the 14 minutes ago. Mendo banga record bangota 14 minutes. Ndono zoti akuno zoti zamadzi ndamva ziteka within 24 hours. Ngani naambira pati? Ngani naambira pamene popo kona sono zoti kodi Nchana madzi ake munena ateneni. Yeah, so tufika tingoona ma comments ndono sono zoti kodi reaction ya anthu inali yotani. Yeah, so Felix akuno zoti kodi mungothandiza kapena mufuna muzayimire MP. Yeah, ili ndifunso limene anafunsa Felix. Nde Fredo anayaka kuzana zono zoti ndine MP. Yeah, izi zinthu zimene zinakanga zatani za usanu mavili pachigwa. Yeah, so McDonald Peter kuno zoti zisankho zikubwerazi Nchana akuyimirira mufune musafune alipowa ayamba kale kufoka. Yeah, so Bright akuno zono zoti Nchana one term one MP, respect yourself ndiwe. Nchana one term one MP, respect yourself. Udikire tizavote tikakumana pa ground viva lipipa. Sakakamiza Fredo, museni lipipa gwire ntchito ndi nthawi yake, iweyo ghetto inakukana. Bright ngani kuyambira anayamba bwino komano kumapeto konse nde waitesa mwambola kwambira unazoti yeah, so kido kada kuno zono zoti one MP at a time, please respect. Yeah, so Atanasio Nkoma akuno zoti a good upcoming MP, support the one in position. Are you supporting or you campaigning or you are competing? Yeah, ili ndifunso limene nkuya kudani akufunsa. Yeah, so if siri kudziwa, in my case I don't know what's going on. All I know is that Fredo is developing. is helping the constituency, but also kupanga ndituka chithandizo kenake kapo, of which whether his the reason behind is to be voted for an MP or whatsoever, those things for me I don't care and I don't mind. All I know is that Nkuluyi akuthandiza dera lake. Anthu akwausanga mavutike pali munthu amene ali ndi kachithandizo kamene angathandize. Just think of kuchipatala kuja kumene anthu azimayi amasambira kunja, azimayi oyembekezera azimayi athu makasambira kunja. It's something which is not good. On the other hand, I'm not saying the current MP is bad or whatever. No, I'm not saying that. For me, the reason of this talk show is not to be on the side of a person. We just talk what is on the ground. So don't get me wrong, don't come with your nonsense. No, I'm just saying what is on the ground. So Chikondi akuna zoti Dr. Nchana mwabwera ngati coming. By the way, anyamatana ididi ndono zoti they are doing good job. Abanga after banga released abwera ngati coming, and abanga also released I think Kwanu Kongo. I didn't react about that video, but I promise I'm going to react soon after this video, and make sure you check soon. When you're done watching this video, go ahead and check out. I think I'm going to upload 1 hour soon after uploading this one. So in Agunozodi Matanja, I'm giving you 12 hours to fix. Show some respect, please. So John Kadamanja kunozoti 2025 chipani mwakweracho chizakhala chipani chodedwa kukhosi kwambiri ndi anthu. My chances are high for you to win my elections ngati independent MP than to stand ngati UTM candidate. Zitulukeni zachina UTM izi zikuzola matope omwe uzavute kuwatsuka 2025 mupakidwa nazo zitukuleni mwachangu. Moses akunozoti inu musamango nena inu kuti kumeneko andale mumaona ngati ife zisilu, ife tikufuna nyimbo ya nyuwani inu ndinu ife tikufuna nyimbo ya nyuwani inu ndinu oyimba mesa ngati ndichoncho tiuzeni kuti mwasiya kuimba. This guy this is crazy. So comment ina kunozoti atinyamata atenge mipando Ghetto King Kong kuzatengaso mpando MP ndiye kuti machana afe makomondo otsekuka mbwerekete Frido ameneyo. Guys, apono ndi pamene patira ma comments obeba zinazo, we had to filter them down. And guys, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. If you didn't enjoy the video, give it a dislike. Whatever you're going to do, I'm going to appreciate. So just as I said, if you're first time going on my video, please indibange support it, banga subscribe, turn on post notification bell kuti kabanga upload my videos musonea. Most importantly, guys, leave a comment in the comment section. Mutangweka ka fire emoji oloka mozo lotiwili. You're not going to lose anything, guys, if you do that. Please, guys, show support to your brother. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, cheers and God bless. Mbide.